When you need Texas public adjusters with the experience to handle any case, turn to Kermith Sonnier of Accord Services, Inc. With years of hands-on experience in construction and decades of experience as an insurance adjuster, Kermith has handled numerous property damage and loss cases. As a former insurance company adjuster, Kermith has extensive experience, is an expert witness in court hearings, and works for the property owners, not for the insurance companies. Kermith has personally reviewed each policy in detail and analyzes each individual insurance policy coverage. His Texas Public Adjuster's mission is to help you recover every dollar, to make your property whole again after every major disaster. Kermith has dealt with all cases from hurricanes, flood, wind, hail, fires, and other property damage issues. He ensures your claims are properly represented, even going so far as to challenge and win against some of the biggest names in the insurance business in court so his clients get everything they deserve. There's no fee for an initial consultation. Call the best Texas public adjusters at 337-990-5283 and visit AccordServicesInc.com to learn more.